Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this 150-piece fire starter kit. These are going to be great for barbecuing or outside camping because look at the natural beauty of these 100% pure fibrous wax starters. Each one of these can actually burn up to 10 minutes, which is going to give you a ton of different fire starts. Look at that, they got different sizes. They're just in here. I'm going to take a bigger one here just to kind of show you how this is going to work here. We're going to get him lit. Now that it's lit, it's actually going to burn for up to 10 minutes. So this is going to go for a long time, and that wax is going to help actually kind of extend the life as it's burning through those natural fibers. So if you've got a charcoal grill or you've got a fire that you're wanting to start in a campfire, one of the biggest problems you've got is having that longevity. You can easily squirt some lighter fluid on something, light it, have it burn really quickly, but then it immediately goes out. The fact that it can go for up to 10 minutes with this all natural piece here, these are lightweight. You can put a handful of them in your camping bag when you're going to go camping, which is great. So that's going to be nice. And everything came packaged and sent very well. This is going to work great for backyards, camping, fairs, or festivals. Thank you guys again for sending them.